Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone model supports 5G bands DITO uses and install any vendor updates, because firmware often unlocks new bands. Once done, verify your DITO account has a 5G plan so the network will authenticate you. Make sure the SIM tray is fully seated and the device shows carrier name. Also record existing APN and signal behavior, since you may need to restore them if changes don't take hold. Now you adjust settings. Open mobile network and pick 5G/4G/3G auto so your phone can use 5G when available. This ensures seamless fallback. Next, inspect APN entries and update to DITO recommended values if missing. APN mismatch blocks data. Then, if your device permits, enable specific NR bands or network slices tied to DITO and try manual network selection to force a reattach. Doing this helps. Finish by rebooting your phone to apply changes. Then run a speed or network info app to confirm 5G registration and higher throughput, because visual confirmation alone can be misleading. If 5G doesn't appear, reset network settings to clear caches, re-enter APN, and test again. One key troubleshooting tip. If issues persist, contact DITO support with your device make, model, and IMEI so they can verify provisioning. Often a backend profile needs, enabling for your SIM to access 5G.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.